Coriander at the same rate.
The internal temperature is holding steady.
They brought out the whole lamb.
Yalla, yalla, move him through. Hey, into the pen now.
Get up there, move on. Keep them coming, don't let them stop.
Come to our facility. We use only the finest basmati rice stored in these silos for our Arab lamb roast.
We must ensure the TDS levels are below 50 for the perfect lamb roast.
The water pressure must be maintained until the temperature reaches 85 degrees, as indicated here on the dial. You see this white center, it means it is not fully cooked yet. The cumin flow rate is stable at 20 kilograms per minute. Good. Maintain the coriander at the same rate. By introducing the pepper at this stage, we unlock the strong flavor profile. This is exactly what we want.
MashaAllah, this is the perfect blend.
The internal temperature is holding steady.
Welcome. Today we prepared the authentic Arab lamb roast. Look at this rich, deep red coating, crispy skin.
Good, the color looks consistent with the last batch.
As you can see, the fat has rendered beautifully, leaving us with this incredibly tender, flavorful meat. Pay close attention to the core temperature readout. We need that to hit 75 degrees before the racks move to the next zone. For the perfect Arab lamb roast, the steam levels must be precise. Now we adjust the valve and monitor the gauges closely. We guide the lamb through the smoke tunnel to absorb these vibrant spices. This gives the roast.
This is exactly what we are looking for. The softness is ideal.
These almonds and pine nuts are essential. We toast them until golden brown and sprinkle them over.
The key is the consistent basting during the slow rotation, locking in the moisture.
And the glaze.
That goes on only in the final stages.
Oh.
Chair, all clear. You are good to go.
They brought out the whole lamb.
Absolutely magnificent, just like the celebrations back home. Oh, wow, that looks absolutely magnificent. Please help yourselves, everyone. There is plenty more coming.
We need perfect alignment here. Center the next 5 precisely.
Welcome, everyone. This wonderful stuffed lamb is for you. Please enjoy and bon appetit.
To this magnificent feast, we are so happy to share this meal with you all tonight.
We carefully place the roasted lamb shank directly onto the steaming saffron rice, ensuring it is perfectly centered for our honored guests.
Eating together from the same tray, using only our hands, strengthens the bonds between us. This is the true spirit of Arab hospitality.
Look at how easily this separates. The juices are locked in, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful.
We mix the lamb with the rice very gently, making sure the flavors are fully combined before serving. This is absolutely wonderful, Sahtain.
The flavor is incredible.
I am so pleased you like it.
On behalf of the entire team here at the Mega Arab Lamb Roast Factory, I want to extend my deepest gratitude to all our viewers. Thank you for watching. We must inspect each tray after the wash cycle. Pay close attention to the edges, as shown here, before stacking them for the next use.
This video is for educational purposes only.